What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Everything that you're about to see in this video, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed on, as well as a free design service. Call in and we'll be happy to consult with you and find something that fits your exact needs. All right, let's get into this video. Okay, so this is a really cool theater, guys. I want you to hear my voice right now. Hear the reverb, and then listen whenever we go into the space. The customer did a really good job of outfitting the room with not only really great gear. We're running a 7.2.6 Dolby Atmos Klipsch Pro system with a JVC RS2000 and a Slate 1.2 from SI, acoustically transparent. It's a lot of lingo. I'll go into the details here in just a minute. But he spent the time to put the acoustic treatments up. That is really important to the performance of an audio system. And I was just talking with the client about that and how we don't really put a lot of light on the acoustic treatments. But let's go into the space and check it out. Okay, so this is the room. Guys, I mean, within a fairly reasonable budget, this room is insane. 7.2.6 Dolby Atmos. 2 rows of seating, it doesn't really get better than that. 13 channel processing has become the new standard for residential, really, last year. And then this year, now they're releasing a couple other models that have 13 channel processing. But up until last year, there wasn't anything reasonably priced. We're running the Denon Avr 500 in this room. But let's this is just a quick pan around of the space. 2 rows of seating, 12 by 18 is the room dimensions, 12 feet wide, 18 feet deep, 2 rows of seating, which is perfect for 2 rows. Let's talk about the screen first. So this particular screen is a Screen Innovations Slate 1.2 acoustically transparent screen. So what that means is that you can put all of the speakers up behind the screen, front left, front right, and center, all hidden. And then you get a bigger screen. So like when you have a smaller wall like this is an amazing solution. Okay, so that is what's going on with the screen. Speakers, now let's talk about the different options for the screen. The Slate 1.2 is an acoustically transparent ALR, ambient light rejecting screen. So you can see, like right now with all the lights on, you can still see your picture. ALR really brings out contrast and has ambient light rejecting properties. So it cuts back on light scatter as well and giving you really nice color pop. I mean, the picture on this thing is like an OLED TV. I mean, I have seen $100,000 projection systems that don't look half as good as this. With the DILA chip on this RS2000, it just gives you inky blacks. I mean, a lot of my clients compare it to an OLED TV. No joke. It's amazing. And then the style of the screen is called a Zero Edge Pro with the backlit LED kit. And that comes in IP as well as IR, depending on if you want to use a Philips Hue hub or just a remote where you point it. You can also get it in a thicker frame if you don't like this look. You can get that traditional home theater look with the Slate 1.2 ALR AT screen. Okay, so let's keep on running through the room. I'm gonna give you a little more light, guys. This is the surround, and we got the Pro Series Klipsch here. We do sell all of this stuff, guys, so give us a chance to earn your business. We have the lowest price guaranteed and free shipping. Here at the rear of the room, again, we got the Klipsch Pro Series right at ear level. See how the customer had them drop down to the correct level so that it's the same experience for everybody in the space? Same thing goes for the Atmos. We have them right over each primary area. It's perfect. Right here and there, directly over the target seating area. And then to top it off, 724, which is 7 ear level speakers, 2 subs, and 4 overhead Atmos have been really popular for years now. But this is adding this extra dimension, which fills the soundstage between the front speakers and the overhead mid Atmos, is the game changer for 2020, or really 2019 is whenever that came into normal consumer technology. So what this with this setup, you got 6 overhead Atmos, and that's for all your rain, bullets flying around up there, helicopters, things like that. But if you look at the acoustics in the space, the customer did a really good job of hitting all the reflection points. So as I walk through the space, it's not over deadened, but it doesn't sound reflective either, like out there in the hallway. I'm sure you guys could hear a difference in the intro. So let's talk about subs. Bass is really important to a quality audio system because it makes it feel really cinematic. The SVS brand, as you guys know, we're a direct nationwide authorized dealer on this brand. We love it. Our customers love it. Really great value in bass. So it hits hard, it hits tight, and yes, it's as big as an end table. This thing is a monster. I've done a ton of videos on this. Let me give you guys an up close shot. SVS. And then at the rear of the room, we got another one. Massive. And this goes down to the, I believe this is the 3000 Pro. Just double check that. PB 3000, yep. So what's really cool with the ported subs, and the client wanted me to mention this to you in the video, is that they come with port plugs. So you can kind of tune the sub depending on what you want out of it. You can just basically stick these into the port plugs and it gives you a different output. Let's see. The RS2000. I don't know if I really need to make a video on this, or go into detail. I have made countless videos about this RS2000. This is my favorite, best value projector. We have sold thousands of these. People just, I love it. Insane black levels and super sharp native 4K. And then the biggest thing with this guy is the frame adapt HDR that does scene by scene auto calibration, which not only scene by scene, but it also does frame by frame. So it basically reads the metadata on the content that you're watching, and it auto calibrates and adjusts the projector to maximize the potential of the content that you're watching. And then they're also coming out with a new firmware update, which depending on when you're watching this video, it may already be out, but they're coming out with a new firmware update here soon at the end of 2020 that is going to allow you to put in the calculations for the type of screen that you have, like the gain, size, things like that, as well as the room conditions, and even further really specify exactly the output that you're going to get out of the unit. Pretty cool. I really like these lights that the customer put in. They're kind of like old school. Not really part of what we did, but cool. All right, let's talk about the rack. Okay, so this is the AV rack, and this houses all the equipment. This is a strong FS series rack. You guys see me use this all the time in my videos. It has those fans right there on top to ventilate everything for you. And it's fully enclosed with all the side panels. You can see like that. And also has this nice fancy glass door that you can lock to keep the kiddos out. And then wheels on it so you can service it very easily. You got watt box surge protection. I like this one because you can't really tell because I have the bright light on, but it has little tube lights that pull out. And it kind of lights up the front of your unit, so if you're gonna make setting changes or something in the dark room, you have some light. Pretty cool little thing, and they're affordable too. This is the head unit. This is what's powering up the entire system. This is an incredible value. This Denon Avr Ad500 not only does 13 channel processing, which is powering up the full 7.2.6, but it also does 13 channel amplification. You can see everything that it's powering, and we're doing Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos is really dominating all of the movies right now. And this client actually has the entire house being ran through this one rack. So right here, this is the Denon 4700, and that is powering up the entire downstairs living room system. And we got a Klipsch Pro system down there. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm about to go check that out and make a video on it. You got a Blu-ray player, and then you got a Harmony hub, and what the Harmony hub does is just control the devices in here with a one-button press touchscreen remote. It's right here. Very easy to use, and it's affordable. It's amazing because you can DIY it. You just set it up on your phone in minutes. Touchscreen, comes with an app, all that good stuff. These are HEOS amps. HEOS amps allow you to independently control all the different rooms in the house through your phone. Pretty cool. And then another surge protector because of the amount of devices that are in the room. That's the rack.
Tonight will make it one step closer to qualifying for the Champions League. The name of the game is Cutthroat.
God, the picture looks so good, doesn't it? Yes.
Go easy on me, guys. Which ones?
All of them!
Alright guys, what do you think? Drop some comments down below. This system is sick. If you guys like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you would like to purchase anything in this theater room, make sure to give us a ring. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed, as well as we are constantly building up our preferred partner network throughout the country. We're getting into a lot of major cities so that we can help you guys implement these in if you're not DIYing it. Regardless, we really appreciate y'all's support. We also offer a design service at no cost to you. All that we ask is that you buy your product from us. Well, that is a wrap. Till next time, guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.